Welcome back to Motorized Mayhem. Today we're going to be working on this bad shaped quad. It's a Chinese quad. It comes with a 125cc 4-speed full manual motor, 2-wheel drive in the rear, obviously disc brakes, and really as simple as it can get. We're back with another winner with a different vehicle, and it is a collapsed Chinese four-wheeler. Slow down! I put it out of gear. Okay, still on my driveway. Woo! Oh man! I got a very flat tire. Woo! Dude, it's so swirly.
spun out. Bro, this thing's so fun. Long time. Gotta make her up the driveway. This thing is basically a one-wheel peel. Since I got a flat on this side, you know, I probably completely ruined that tire. But that was so freaking fun, dude. There cannot be cars coming. This is honestly, I'm gonna be completely honest, you can have, you know, the biggest dirt bike, you know, whatever, and I've ridden before. Stuff like this, you learn from it, how to fix it. You know, just messing around with something that doesn't work right, I mean, perfect. It's just fun, you know. You don't got traction in the back. Instead of saying you don't got traction, maybe I can drift. I can do some cool stuff with it. And it's cheap, and parts are pretty cheap.
So for now, that's all I got in the quad. I'm going to be ordering new tires and a whole bunch of other stuff for this thing. And it's going to be quite a while till the parts get here. And, you know, winter's basically here already. So this thing's probably going to be a big winter project. Otherwise, with the motor, first off, the biggest problem I got is the motor. Like, if I hold the bike still, that whole motor is not supposed to wiggle around like that in the frame. I can just lift it up. See that? So, second thing, which I did kind of fix, but the kickstart. That kickstart is meant for a Apollo 70, and I stole it off of it, so I need to go put that back on there sometime. I have no brakes, needs new brakes. The chain alignment's really bad. The chain's kind of rusty, but it still works. And then, yeah, brake cables, or the brake handle's all messed up, and I want to put headlights on here. So I need and there's no kill switch. So I just need to find wherever the kill switch is in there, because I tried finding the kill switch, and I thought I found the one it was. It didn't work when I shorted it out or anything, so otherwise, that's all I have on the quad today.